The main event ng Sari-Sari Projects is actually the designer figures na one-of-one na ginawa ng mga artists. No? So, share namin sa inyo yung closer look ng mga figures na ginawa ng mga designer. So, first one is from the Ten of Spades. Ito si Billy Rush or yung character ni Miko Suabe. And ito yung figure niya na one-off. Tapos itong figure na to, kaya niyang humawak ng dalawang deck of playing cards. Ganyan yung position niya. And then, itong dalawang nakikita nyo are from Arman Kendrick. Si Arman Kendrick, siya yung gumawa ng Ace of Spades. Tapos ito yung figure niya, di ba? Kamukhang kamukha. Exactly as on the card. So, yung lalagyan na ng card niya, yung deck niya, is nandoon sa likod, yung sandalan. So, natatanggal tong takip na to, and dun mo i-insert yung sari-sari playing cards. So, isang color na red, colorway, and yung isa naman, black and gold colorway. Ayan. Next, we have two one-offs from Aki. Yung first is yung purple colorway. And yung pangalawa naman, yung black colorway. Tapos, exactly how it looks doon sa Seven of Spades na card niya. Ngayon, para mahawakan yung deck, ilalagay mo siya sa side. Parang ganito. Tapos, from the side, yung hawak ng deck. So, two one-offs yung available niyan. Next dito, kay Lab Monkeys. This is isa sa mga matataas na figures. And he was assigned sa Four of Spades. So, ito yung character design niya. And exactly how it looks doon sa figure. Ganda, di ba? Tapos, yung deck holder niya, dito mo siya i-insert. So, tatanggal mo tong bubong. Tapos, doon mo i-insert yung deck sa empty space na to. On this side naman, marami to. This one is from Naburok. Tapos, nakasakay si Naburok sa spaceship. Ito yung card niya. And yung insert mo, yung deck dito sa likod niya. Ayan. Next, from Haraya Creations. This is a 5 of diamonds. Dalawa yung one-offs na figures na ginawa niya. The first one is naka-standing position with the skateboard na maliit. Fingerboard, di ba? Tapos yung isa naman, red colorway. Tapos may hawak siyang coffee and a cigarette. Tapos meron rin siyang accessory na fingerboard. And then, yung deck, ilalagay mo dito sa empty spaces na to. And it also comes with Certificate of Authenticity. Next one, this one is from Egg Fiasco. This is a one-off figure. And ito yung assigned card niya is Ace of Clubs. Sa likod niya is from Sil Flores. Ayan, this is the Queen of Diamond. And here is her figure. Tapos lagay mo yung deck niya. Pag ganito yung hawak. Ayan. Diba? It's a one-off rin yan. This one is from Aldrin Alarcon. Exactly how it looks doon sa Three of Hearts na card niya. Meron yung statue and you have a kid. So, likewise, the same with the figure. Ayan. And yung deck holder niya, dito mo ilalagay sa parang sa tentacles. Diba? Next is a soft figure or a plush from Lucky Mata. Ito siya. Diba? And the card niya is the Four of Hearts. Tapos, para malagay mo yung deck nito, dito mo siya insert sa gitna. It's a soft flush, so stretch. Nasa-stretch naman tong air na to. And malalagay mo yung deck dito. Ito yung design. Ganda, diba? Very unique. And next one is from Rainbow Hermit. So, exactly how it looks. Yung first spade is the head. Ayan yun. Yung pangalawa, yung body, yung puffer jacket. Ito yun. Yung pangatlo, yung shoes niya. Yan, yung may cross. And then, ilalagay mo yung deck na to dito sa likod. Parang naka-backpack yung deck. Diba? Ganyan yung pagkalagay niya. Next two figures, dalawang one-offs from Paulo Amparo or Faust Amparo, no? The first figure is this one. Medyo naka-kneel siya, no? And then, dito mo ilalagay yung deck. Nakaipit siya dyan. The next figure is this one. Slightly bigger head. Parang chibi type yung artwork niya. And dito mo naman ilalagay yung deck. Diba? Ang ganda. Dalawang one-offs yan in total. Dito naman, sa side na to, this figure is from Gino Roberto, the Six of Spades. Tapos exactly how it looks doon sa card and the figure magkamukha. Tapos dito may malaking base na skull, oh. Diba? Ang ganda. So, dyan mo actually insert yung deck. Wow. Tapos ito, may fabric na flag. Tapos, natatanggal rin to eh. Diba? Magnet. Ganda. It's a one-off figure by Gino Roberto. Next one is from 8FF. Yan. It composed of 2 figures na sa isang set. Parang isang set na siya. So, this one is the 8 of clubs. Baliktad pala. Here, the 8 of clubs. And then the other one, the 8 of hearts. Ayan. Tapos, naangat to, di ba? Ayan. Tapos, dyan mo i-insert yung deck. Lagay mo yung deck dyan. And then, you would use the arm of the figure pang lock in place ng deck. Tapos, dalawang deck malalagay mo na rin. And it also comes with certificate of authenticity provided by the 8FF guys. Diba? Wow. Signature ni Sean. Okay? Ko lang to. Next is from Nyaki Meow. They made the 2 of spades. Tapos, ito sila. Ito yung figure niya. Ganda na to. Tapos may nakalagay rin dito kabilaan. So, it can hold 2 decks at the same time. Tapos may mga accessory siya na spray paint cans. Tapos meron pang basket, no? Pwede mong lagyan. Then you have 2 figures. Cool, di ba? Hoodie Kitty Cats yung pangalan ng figure. Next is from the 8 of spades or si Wuji. Dalawang one-offs yung ginawa niya. The first is the gray colorway at yung pangalawa naman yung orange colorway. Tapos itong empty part na to, dito may insert yung deck. Hawak-hawak ni Wuji's figure yung deck itself. Yan, dalawa yan. Next is here from Coke Silva. This is his first ever na one-off figure na ginawa niya. Actually, first time niya gumawa ng figure. And ito yung 6 of diamonds niya na artwork. And here is how the figure looks. Di ba parehong-pareho? Ang ganda na to. Tapos yung deck, dito mo siya lalagay sa likod. Yan. Ganyan siya. Cool, di ba? Yun. Next naman is from the 9 of clubs. And here is the figure from Nostra. And meron siya kasama dito na parang stand. Tatabi mo lang siya dito para malagay mo yung figure. Diba? Solid na to. Ang solid, ang bigat na to actually. Ang ganda ng weight na to. Next is from Humbly. This one is the figure. And meron siyang kasamang one-off na painting artwork. Ayan. Tapos, Humbly was assigned for the 4 of diamonds. Ayan. So, pinagsama niya yung cloud tsaka yung head or yung pinaka-body nung figure. So, ito, yung head is naging cloud. Ayan. Next one is from Unga. He's a Filipino artist based in Sweden. So, ito yung figure niya. It comes in 2 parts, the figure and the deck holder. So, yung card exactly looks the same as the deck holder. Ayan, i-insert mo yung deck dyan. And then, here is the figure, one-off figure. Wow, di ba? Ang gagaling ng mga artists. Next is the Queen of Hearts. This is the artwork from Clary. And here is her first ever figure. I mean, this was the first time that she has designed a figure and created one as well. So, dito mo siya ilalagay. I-insert mo yung sword. I-insert mo yung deck rather. Tapos parang yung sword, it goes through the deck. The head, the deck. Yan, di ba? Ang ganda na to. Ayan. Next is from the 3 of clubs. Ayan. And ang cute na tong dog na figure na to. Nakapatong siya sa may crack wall. And then dito mo i-insert from the back yung deck. Tapos yung gusto kong detail dito, may nakalagay na signage, bawal maghihi dito, di ba? Parang ganun yung mga aso, di ba? Yung parang kapag kinakausap mo, mga ganyan yung mga salitaan eh. It's really cute. Ang ganda. Tapos nakaupo siya. There. Next is from Cookie B. It's her first time to join as well. Yung mga gumawa ng figure na ganito, ay one-off figure. And what I like about this is exactly the same yung look nung card doon sa figure. So, you have the main figure here na nag-guitar and you have the amplifier sa likod. And then, there's an included clear acrylic case where you could place the deck. Ganda. Then, next one of the veterans, si Mech Design. This is the 8 of Diamonds. And here is his boss figure. Ayan, ganda na to. Solid rin. And then you insert the deck dito sa portion na to. Ganyan. Then it goes all the way through. Yan. Pero tanggalin na natin. Yan. And next one from Chano. This is his figure. Chano, it was assigned for one of the 7. Yan. Diba? Motorcycle and may smoke of cloud of smoke rather. Ayan, tapos dito malalagay yung deck. Ganda. And then this one, saan pa? Dito naman. This one is from Wicked. She was assigned the 10 of Diamonds, the Strawberry Splash, diba? And dito malalagay yung deck. Turn siya doon sa figure. Ang ganda ng color na to. If you see this in person, ang ganda ng pagkaka-paint ni Wicked for this. And the texture and all, it's very nice. Tapos, ito pa, kay Naburok. Tapos na pala kay Naburok. And finally, we have one from Winville. Yan siya. He was assigned the 5 of Hearts cassette tape. And then, ito yung figure niya. Pareho, diba? Pati yung kamay, oh. Ganyan. Tapos, ang gusto ko dito, pag pinindot mo yung play button dito, nabubuksan yung portion na to. Tapos insert mo yung deck, and then mababalik mo na siya. So nasa loob yung deck niya mismo. So it's one of the things na very unique for this. If you're interested with these figures, you may send us a message on our social media accounts, or you can order this online. Available siya online, runitdex.com under the Sari Sari collection. No? And then if you have inquiries or you want to see pictures or more videos of this, DM us at runitdex sa mga socials namin. Yun lang.